Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan Juke versus Bugatti Veyron. This comparison highlights the vast differences between two vehicles designed for entirely distinct purposes. We'll explore how their engineering, cost, and target audiences set them worlds apart, demonstrating that better is truly subjective. Understanding these contrasts helps appreciate the unique value each car offers. The Bugatti Veyron is a hypercar, delivering over 1,000 horsepower and reaching top speeds exceeding 250 miles per hour. In stark contrast, the Nissan Juke, a compact crossover, typically offers around 115 to 215 horsepower, focusing on urban efficiency and everyday usability. This performance gap is reflected in their price tags, with the Veyron costing millions of dollars, while the Juke is available for tens of thousands. The Veyron's design is a testament to its form follows performance philosophy, with every curve optimized for extreme speed and aerodynamic efficiency. It's a statement of luxury and engineering prowess. The Juke, on the other hand, embraces a distinctive, compact and robust design, prioritizing practicality, maneuverability, and a unique aesthetic for city driving. These differing design approaches clearly define their roles in the automotive world. Ultimately, the Bugatti Veyron caters to an exclusive clientele seeking unparalleled performance and luxury, often as a collector's item. The Nissan Juke, conversely, serves a broad market looking for an affordable, reliable, and compact vehicle for everyday urban use. Deciding which is better depends entirely on your personal needs, budget, and driving priorities. Be sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.